In this video, I have a very beautiful PC here. It's a Dell Optiplex 5000 Micro Mini PC. This is a beautiful PC, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can actually go ahead, upgrade the SSD. I have a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD here, and I also have a 32 gigabyte DDR4 RAM stick. See, if you want to upgrade this PC, one thing you want to do is to make sure that you have good quality parts. And this NVMe SSD right here, this is one part I have constantly used and never ever had problems with it. And this one right here is an Acer 3200 megahertz DDR4 RAM. This is something that you want to use. You don't want to be cutting corners when you have upgrades like this to do. I'm going to be leaving a link to this part in the description. Feel free to check them out. See, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your PC. Behind the PC is just a knob right there. I'm just going to twist it out, and then I can go ahead and slide open my beautiful PC. This thing is beautiful, typical Dell Optiplex Micro Mini. See, you want to take out these speakers, because if you don't take it out, it's going to block this processor fan from coming out. And the next thing I want to do is to make sure that this is gently pulled out, just like that. There's actually a screw holding it, so it's kind of difficult to come out, but yes, this is how you bring this out. A little bit tricky, but if you take a look at it closely, you should be able to actually figure it out. See, I'm going to take out this SSD right here. This is not what we need. This is exactly the profile, the full profile NVMe SSD, and I may have to change the position of these screws. This is easy to do, guys. I was saying that, look, on this PC, you can actually install an NVMe SSD as well as a HDD on this PC. This is why this PC is actually one decent PC I can highly recommend to you if you are right now, in the market looking for something decent. So the next thing I want to do now is to try to take out this, processor fan. Ideally, you just should hold this, and it normally should flip out. But from what it seems, I might have to take a second look at it. Just like I imagined, it might be a little bit difficult, but if you wiggle it well enough, you should be able to, take this out. And right there, we have our RAM stick. This I do not need anymore. That is a 16 gigabyte DDR4 RAM. I'm going to be switching it, like I said, with this beautiful, RAM stick right here. But the problem now is that this is actually very well packed, and it's going to be a little bit difficult to tear this out with my hand. So I might have to get something like this, a scissors, and I'm just going to cut that open. So in this case, I can actually get access to the RAM stick. See, this is a very, very good quality RAM, and you can easily tell from the packaging, everything is so securely packed that if you receive this RAM stick, you're never going to worry about it being destroyed during transportation. Look at it, looking fresh. And this right here, my friends, is going to be coming onto this beautiful PC right here. All right, just like that. And having done that, I'm going to go ahead and return this processor fan chassis exactly the same way I brought it out. All right, so if you have pushed it in properly, you should actually hear a little clip that tells you that everything is properly sitting, and you do not have to worry if it's going to fall off while the PC is actually in operation. That being said, the next thing I want to do now is to take out this SSD right here. I need my little star head screwdriver to just pop it out. Just like that. This is exactly what we have, but right now I'm going to be fixing a full profile NVMe SSD on this thing, and because of that, I really have to take out this screw right here. Beautiful thing is that this PC, I would say, is pretty much very, very easy to upgrade. You do not have to fight with anything, with the exception of this this casing right here, this fan. You might not have to fight over any parts that you're going to be taking out. So I'm going to take my SSD right now, a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. I'm going to pop it here, and in this way, actually go ahead and make sure it's tightly screwed onto the onto the main board. This is one thing you want to ensure that it's it's properly screwed. You do not want situation where the NVMe SSD is kind of wiggling all around. Then if you've done this, I now have to replace this speaker exactly the same way I took it out. I think it was somewhere here, so just going to try to pop it in right there, guys. This is exactly how it should look. So right now I've been able to upgrade the the RAM sticks, the NVMe SSD, and at this point I'm going to go ahead, close my PC, and thereafter switch it on to be sure that everything is working exactly the way I want it to to work. All right. So this, I must say, is a very beautiful PC. Behind it, you have a wireless LAN adapter already installed, so you do not have to begin to bother about you getting an additional, wireless LAN card or stick. Everything is pretty much ready for you to. I did forget to include this, so unfortunately, I might have to open this PC again. I was saying that if this video has helped you, please do me a favor. Make sure you click on the like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because on this channel, I get to, share a lot of behind the scenes of upgrading different kind of PCs. A lot of them might definitely be interesting for you. So go ahead and be subscribed. Until I see you again in the next one. Peace. Just like I imagined, it might be a little bit difficult, but if you wiggle it well enough, you should be able to, take this out